Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. 139 persons have signed up for an elimination tournament. All players are to be paired up for the first round, but because 139 is an odd number, one player gets a bye which promotes him to the second round. So we have total 139 players, and because this is an odd number, they cannot be paired up, and one guy will directly get advanced to the next round, and remaining 138 guys will paired up and they will play the match, and winners will get advanced to the next round. Okay. So we need to find out the total number of matches which must be played to determine the champion. So we have two ways to solve the problem. First way is, see, because there are 139 players and there will be only one winner. So if there is one winner, then there will be 138 losers. And 138, if there are 138 losers, they'll lose only if those many matches are played. So 138 losers will come only if 138 matches are played. So 138 is the answer. Okay. So that way we can also get this. But let's try to see in details how this is happening. So 139 players are there initially. So from here one person will directly advance to next round, and remaining 138 guys will play the match. Okay. So when we are talking about the first round, so 138 guys will play how many matches? They will play 69 matches. Okay, because they are paired up, so 138 by 2 is 69. Okay, so we have divided 138 by 2 here to get 69. Now see in the second round. So second round, from 69 matches we got 69 winners, and here is the one guy which directly got advanced to second round. So in second round total we have 70 players, 69 winners, and one guy who directly got advanced to the second round. Now 79 players, how many matches they will play? So this is an even number, so 79 players will play 35 matches. Okay, very straightforward. Now the third round. So in third round we will have 35 winners from this 35 matches. So there are total 35 players, but again 35 being an odd number, so one guy will directly advance to the next round. Okay. Similar to this case, so one guy directly got advanced to here second round, and 69 guys came as a winner. Same thing will happen here. So one guy will directly advance to next round, and remaining 34 guys, they will play the match in pair. So 34 guys will play 17 matches. Okay. Now in the fourth round, one guy who directly got advanced and 17 guys from here. So this is 1 and 17 winners and one guy, so total it will be 18. Okay, so in fourth round we have total 18 players. Now 18 players can directly play 9 matches. Okay, because this is an even number, so 9 matches will be played. Now in the fifth round, again 9 is an odd number, so 9 winners got advanced to next round, so we have 9 people here in the fifth round. This is being an odd number, one guy will directly advance to next round, and remaining 8 guys have to play the match. So 8 guys will play 4 matches in pair, and from 4 matches we'll get 4 winners and one guy who directly got advanced. So in the sixth round we'll have this one guy and 4 winners from here. So total we will have 5 players. Again these 5 players, one will directly advance to next round, and remaining 4 people, they will play the match. So 4 people will play 2 matches. So from 2 matches we will get 2 winners and one guy from here who directly got advanced. So in the 7th round we have total 3 pairs, 2 and 1, total 3 players. Again 3 players, this is being an odd number, one guy will directly advance to the next round and 2 guys will play the match. So from these two guys will play just one match, and from here we'll get one winner. So in the 8th round, which should be the final round, we have one guy from here who directly got advanced and one guy who is the winner from the one match. So total we have 2 guys, two guys will just play one match, okay, and after this we'll get the winner here because only two guys are playing the match. So this is kind of a final game. Okay, now to calculate the numbers to total number of matches, we just need to add this. So if you add this, this will be 138. Okay, so we need to just add this column. So in total 138 matches are required to find out the champion of this tournament. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.